Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.